If you want to change the default notification sound for Gmail app, and if you want to set a custom notification sound, then let us see how to do it. Now for this one, you should have a notification sound or any song that you have downloaded in your phone. After that, what you do, go to Samsung, go to My Files, go to internal storage and go to music. Here inside this Samsung folder, I have one music, and I want to use this music as the notification sound for Gmail app. So what I will do is I will tap and hold in order to select this music. After that, copy, and then I will again go back. I will go to internal storage, and inside this internal storage there is a folder here called notifications. I will open it and I will tap on this option, copy here. So what I have done is I have copied music and I have saved that music inside the notification folder, which is inside the internal storage of my Samsung phone. Once I have done this one, I will go to this settings option here. Then I will go to this option apps, scroll down, and I will look for Gmail. I will open this Gmail app and go to notifications, select this option notification categories, and I have different Gmail accounts which I have saved in my phone. So if I want to change the notification sound for this Gmail account, I will select mail and then I will go to sound. Now once you have saved the music in the notification folder, you will see this option custom, and here is the music which I had saved in the notification folder. I can select this music and this will be the notification sound for my Gmail app.